What's my opinion on C# compilers putting the curly brace under the line? Oh, that's a tough one, dude, because I work in my day-to-day job in JavaScript, and generally it's same line in JavaScript. And then I'm working on the game in C#, and it's generally after. Let's look. Let's see how I feel about it. Take a look at this one.
Same line.
I think these are on a separate line only because it like does it for me. Let me see. If true, and then I format. Yeah, it does it automatically for me. I don't really care too much. I personally think it looks better to have same line. So like if I had it my way, all of these methods would be like this. I like it better. It's not a hill I would die on. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. Something I will lose sleep over. It drove me crazy. I had a coworker that used to do this. Every time he would pull request, I'd nick him for it. He would write like an if statement, like if Bob is greater than 3. He would do this. And then if it was a one condition thing, he would leave the curly braces out. Console.log Bob. So he would write code like this. If Bob is greater than 3, next line, console log that Bob. Dude, that drove me crazy. Because this is just fuckery. There's like so many things about this that frustrate me. I would even rather you do this. Like one line that big. Every pull request. All it takes is one junior developer to come behind you and like add another line here, like console.log, something, right? And what would happen, this isn't Python, dude. It's gonna log this every time. Just like readability too, I don't know. This is just chaos energy to me. This is something I would die on a hill on. Console log for C#. Oh wait, is it console.log? I haven't done it in forever. Because I use the Unity log, like the debug.log. Console.writeLine. Oh my god, I haven't done that in forever. That's a classic. There was a guy that used to watch the stream. His Wi-Fi password was something like this. You'd ask him what the Wi-Fi password is, and he's like, yeah, write the C# code that says we are cool to the console. And this was his whole password. I miss that dude. He brought a special energy. Console.log is a link. Oh, actually? Try typing console.log as a URL. Wait, hold up. Log top level domain. I don't think log is a top level domain. www.log. Yeah. GoDaddy? Console.log. Consolelog.com, guys, only $4,400. That's a steal. Did I say a .daddy domain? Wait, is there a .daddy domain? ConsoleDaddy.net, guys, 1 penny. ConsoleDaddy.com's only, wait, oh, that's a broker fee. You can hire somebody for $120 to get ConsoleDaddy.com. Okay, guys, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was working on making a keyboard that explodes. Send me a Discord DM? All right, I'll check it out. All right, Dex sends me a DM, and this is what it says, guys. Dex wants to know what a muffaletta is. You guys know what a muffaletta is? I'm wondering if you asked me this question because it's very specific to a place where I lived. Yeah, so apparently a muffaletta is a thing in New Orleans, and I lived there for a couple of years. What is a muffaletta? It's a sandwich. It's got like meat and like, oh shoot, hold up, my cat wants in. She like demanded she comes in. I let her in and she's just standing there. Well, now she wants to leave. What the Kendra, make up your fucking mind. What? What's going on? Are you okay? Yeah, you want to? So yeah, muffaletta. I don't think I've actually ever had one. No, that's a lie. I did. I had one. It was like a little finger sandwich they made. Let's look it up though. I'm not entirely sure. It's a sandwich with meat and like olives or something, right? It's got some stinky ass shit on it. Muffaletta is a type of Sicilian sesame bread, as well as a popular sandwich created by the Sicilian immigrants to the United States that was popularized in the city of New Orleans. Yeah, did you guys know that? There's actually a huge Sicilian population in Louisiana. The name is believed to be a diminutive form of muffa, mold mushroom. Huh? Perhaps due to the round sandwich bread being reminiscent of a mushroom calf. All right, tell me about the sandwich though. Layers of marinated muffaletta style olive salad, salami, ham, Swiss cheese, provolone, mortadella. What the f is mortadella? The type of pork. Dude, now the cat wants back in. What the frick is going on? Make up your mind. Actually crazy cat. It was good. It kind of, dude, and now she wants to leave again. Dude, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. What is going on? Oh, this light's in the way. You can't see her stupid cat head. Look at her. What is she doing? Kendra, make up your mind. What's going on? Come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. That shit crazy cat, I swear. I don't know, man. If you have the opportunity to have it in not America, I mean, try it, I guess. Wait, the olive salad is made from olives, olive oil, celery, cauliflower, carrots, sweet peppers, onions, capers, parsleys, pepperoni, or I almost read that, oregano, garlic, vinegar, herbs, and spices. Dude, I'm gonna lose my mind. Get out of here. You're kicked out. Dude, I swear this cat. Mortadella usually has other bits of stuff in it, like pistachios and olives. That was kind of the vibe I got when I ate it. It's just like a whole bunch of shit put together, like all mashed up and meat. And the flavor is just really, really strong. And usually, I think it's because of the kind of bread, it gets a little soggy. Yeah. It's like this, and it gets like a little soggy. Because there's so much shit on it, you know? Did we get distracted enough? I forgot what I was doing. Great question, sir. Thank you. Now I'm hungry. I probably need to order some food. I've been thinking pizza. The Italian has finally entered the chat. Yeah, dude, I've been craving pizza all day. Do you know what stream I watch like almost every day while I'm at work? I watch this stream. It's literally people working in a pizzeria. And it's in New York, so it's like, it's real good pizza.
Domino's has unlimited toppings.
No, if I'm gonna get pizza, I'm gonna get the real shit. Link? Yeah, I'll drop a link in the chat. But now I want pizza because I've been watching that all day. There needs to be two things when I live somewhere. I need pizza and I need bread. And they both have to be good. Otherwise, I can't live there. Bread and pizza. It's kind of like what you grow up with and what you're used to, you know? Urban Outfitters. What is this? Bread vase. It's just a vase, but it's bread? I mean, I fuck with this. I would not mind having this in my house. I would get confused because I would think it was real bread. Yeah, actually, anytime I would see it, I think I'd just get hungry. I don't think I'd actually confuse it for real bread, but I would definitely get hungry for bread. I love me some bread. Don't chomp the fake bread. I would not. It would make me hungry, though. I mean, I literally got hungry looking at it. Wait, where's my pizza? Oh, my pizza's here. Wait, how long did it make pizza? Oh my god, my pizza's been outside for 20 minutes? Fuck. This happened last time too. Damn it. I'll be right back. Guys, it's so cold. Fuck. Oh well. I'm not even sure there's any warmth left in this pizza. But at least it's not like refrigerator cold. Like the cheese has still got a little bit of cheesiness left to it, you know? Bert, look up pointers in C++. I try to respect my brain today. Alright, pointers. Memory address. Ugh, nope, you lost me already. Based garbage collection. That's all I gotta say. Alright, let's start getting these sprites in the game and actually do something. Basically, pointers are useful because it's easier to give people an address to your house than a copy of your house. Fair. You learned coding through C++, what's wrong with pointers? I just hate having to manage memory. I mean, there's pointers in, like, every language. If you need, like, a direct reference to memory. I like having the abstraction above worrying about memory. But then I have to, it all comes full circle. You wind up dealing with it in the end. Java as a language has auto memory collection and still memory leaks every program. That's a fact, dude. I was working with Elasticsearch. Freaking Elasticsearch, man. It has a mechanism built into it to like restart when it runs out of memory because it's so good at running out of memory. And it's based on Java. Automatically collects memory straight into a big no leak pile. Yeah, Java. That's why we love it. Isn't C# just Java? Like, weren't they the same thing at one point? From your quick reading right now, Java was meant as a C++ alternative, but was programmed with similar syntax would feel familiar. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about C# and Java. There's like some lore between C# and Java. Why generations of coders called C# Java? How C# and Java are actually twins. Microsoft was using Java, and then they wound up making C# because of something. If you guys want to hear about the lore, we can read it. I'm yet to get to the point in my computer science career where I have to worry about memory management. There's always like a solution around it or a more proper way to do something. Generally, when I run into those things, I feel like it's because I made a bad decision about something. Like my game, for example, we had crazy CPU usage, and it was because I was putting a whole ton of logic in my updates. And so I changed a lot of things to like events. I cached things. Like there's ways around stuff like that. Are those two potatoes on a chair cuddling in the cubby? It's crazy. You're the first person to notice that. Yes, actually, it's exactly what that is. You guys want to see it? So there's a little bit of lore behind this thing. That's dope. Yeah, hold up, let me grab it. So the lore behind this is, I think it was like the second Valentine's Day that Poke and I were together. I made this for her. And it's 2 little potatoes, like, on a bench, arms over each other, and it made it to look like us. And she said that it creeped her out so much, it actually stayed in a box in the closet for like 8 years. I guess more than that, like 10 years. And then I decided just to put it on my shelf. So that's the lore behind this. It was a Valentine's Day gift, which I gave to myself eventually. Potatoes, we were potatoes even back then. You're so real for that? I mean, it is kind of creepy, ain't it? I might have went a little hard. It kind of looks like us. I was thinking maybe I do some art streams. I wonder if I have some sculptures that I made. They're like really fucking creepy though. I guess that was your test to see if she'd stay for my wackiness? I guess in a way. Not intentional, but she did pass the test.
Coded in unity, blood, sweat, and tears. Arnold Snail, indie budget powerhouse here. $1,000,000, no just pixel and pain. There's magic, destruction remains. Friendship, loss, sweet, sweet revenge. Armor lives, snail, corporate pain never ends. Pixel art's kinda rad, but that won't stop him. Twitch, Giga Chad.